So yun guys, we're going to unpack City Toys Venom. Okay. So, ito na siya. Ito na siya guys, nalabas ko na. Kaso yung box niya parang masira oh. So, okay. Ito yung taas ng box. Gilid ng box. Ilalim ng box. Sa isang gilid ng box at sa likod ng box. Okay, buksan natin to. Uy, there's a stand. And ito na siya. Buksan na natin to. Okay. Let's fix the hands first. So ito na siya. Ang pangit lang ng part dito. Kasi ito, hindi siya pantay. Nakatagilid siya dito. So, yan. Okay, so na siya. Okay. Okay, let's go to the accessories. So, ito yung Peter Parker head. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang bootleg na pangit ang itsura. Okay, maganda siya. So, okay, tingnan natin lahat ng accessories. So, meron tayo ditong head sculpt na galit. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayo ditong bag na gawa sa webs. And magnets. Magnet na may paa na may magnet. And tweezers. So, may fisted hands. Okay. So, fisted hands. And wall crawling hands with magnet. And a normal wall crawling hands. And we have a web to swing here. And we have we have two purse. Okay. And one short web and a two long web. And okay, here's the other web, a short web. Okay. Let's try to put the accessories. Let's go. Unahin muna pala natin yung sa joints. So okay, you can look up like that. You can look down that much, and side like that, and side like go up like that, and up down, and go that far in the back and in the back. Okay, in the back. Okay, in the front, like the back. Much better in the back. And we have a hip draft here. You can go side like you can kick that high and at the back. That right. Then we have a dog behind and fly. And they can snow and can go and here like me. It's okay, it's good, it's smooth. And okay, let's try to put the accessories first. Let's try the angry head sculpt first. Okay, it's much wait, it looks shorter than the feg hole. And let's try to put the unmasked head. Let's try to put it. Wait. Okay. Okay. Uy, it's 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 looking good, not that bad. Okay, let's try the hands. Okay, with holding hands. Oh, it fits perfectly. And the pisted one, it fits perfectly. And the magnet one, oh, it's can. Okay, it's perfectly fit. Okay, the wall calling hands without the magnet. Wait, it fits perfectly. It's not that hard to put in. And let's put the tweepers. It's not that hard to put in. It's good. What's next? Okay, let's try the pit. Let's try the pit. The fits with magnet. It fits perfectly. Okay. Wait, it fits perfectly. Let's let's try the magnet. There's, let's try the magnet. I forgot to try the backpack. Okay, let's put the backpack. So, how to put the backpack? Wait, so hard to put. Wait. Oh. Wait, let's wait. Alright. I, I put the backpack. It's so hard to put. Alright. Let's try the magnet. Let's see. Let's see with the pits. With the pit if we can hold it. No. You cannot hold them. You cannot hold it. Okay. No, it's not strong enough. Let's try the hands. Okay. Let's try it now. Okay. You cannot hold it too. You cannot hold the figure too. But it's much stronger than... Sorry guys kung maingay yung motor. Okay. Mas malakas yung magnet niya kaysa dito. Sa city. Mayflex 185. Okay. Okay. Let's do size comparison. Ito siya sa tabi ni... Ito siya katangkad sa tabi ni Miles Morales. And... the goat. Wait. Okay. The City Mayflex 185 is shorter than the Symbiote one. Alright. Last. Peter B. Parker. The bootleg Peter B. Parker. Ito na sa tabi. It's okay. Try natin ikabit tong ulo na Peter Parker dito sa Mayflex 185. It fits perfectly. It's beautiful. So yun lang guys. Bye.